This is the 10th time it's gone off. We have a huge storm coming to us.
Environment Canada has issued an alert for your region. Environment Canada has updated the yellow level freezing rain warning at 4:20 p.m. Central Standard Time, Tuesday, February 17th, 2026. Environment Canada has issued an alert for your region. A yellow level freezing rain warning is in effect for RM of Caledonia, including Milestone and Perry, and RM of Scott, including Yellow Grass Lane and Leuven. Environment Canada has updated a yellow level wind warning at 1:36 p.m.
This thing has gone off so many times. Like, too many times almost. It's crazy.